Hey love, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'll be talking about the spiritual benefits of this fruit. This fruit is called Aidan fruit or Prekese. Then some tribe call it Uyayak. This fruit that you're seeing has a lot of spiritual and health benefits. So I made a video on the health benefits of these fruits. So if you want to check it out, there is a link in the comment section, and there is also a link in the description box. So just click on the link and watch the health benefits of this fruit, because today's video is about the spiritual benefits of it. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just click on the subscribe button. It is completely free, and turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss any of my future video when I upload. So the spiritual benefit of it is that it is good for curse breaker. If you feel that you are cursed and maybe your ways are blocked, your business is not moving forward, like there is a tracy in your workplace, people just hate you for no reason, there is no promotion, like you feel your glory has been taken away from you, everything you are doing is just stagnant, nothing is moving forward, there is a curse following you. These simple spiritual tips will help you break and destroy every curse, and after doing this, it will make a way for you, like things will start moving for you, your business will start going, people will like you, and your glory will be restored. It is very, very effective, and it has no side effect. It is natural. It is natural. What you'll be needing is 3 Aidan fruit or 3 Prekese. Get 3 of it. Then after that, you are going to cut them into 3 sizes. You are going to cut the 3 of them into 3 sizes, making it, you will have 9 pieces. Cut all of them into 3 sizes. After that, you are going to boil it. Get your boiling pot, add water to it, and boil it for like 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your heat. Boil it very well. After boiling it, the next thing you are going to do is that you allow your Aidan fruit water to cool. Once it is cold, you get your white container, pour the Aidan fruit water inside the white container and add sea salt to it. You are going to add sea salt to it, but if you don't have sea salt, then just use the normal water. But if you have sea salt, add sea salt to it. After that, cover it and leave it. Anytime you want to have your night bath, anytime you want to have your night bath before going to bed, what you are going to do is that you will add it to your bathing water. When you want to have your night bath, add it to your bathing water, add the water to your bathing water and use it to have your bath, and do it for 7 days or more. 7 days or more. It is super effective, and you see changes. You see changes. Your glory will be restored, every curse will be broken, and things will start moving well for you. Things will start moving well, your business will be going, and just do this. It has no side effects. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section. Your questions will be answered, and also share this video to your friends that are in need of this video. See you in my next video. Bye.